Miss Jen sent you here?
Please. I think I scare her.
You are a little scary. But hey, maybe you really are what people say you are.
That is.
Dude, it's a little too ambitious for your own good. Or anyone else's. Need to borrow a buck?
You do not want to clap at me right now. I will clap back.
Wait. I was actually gonna apologize.
Okay. Go ahead.
Still can't believe it actually happened. Yeah, no, I think we do that for each other. With Gina?
We can start fresh. No drama. No chocolates.
Racing. Proud of you. Yeah, she's amazing.
Something that scares me.
Get the point. I just want what's best for her. She's my friend. Yeah, I guess it's really hard not to just say what you feel. You know? It's possible I wasn't completely acting today. I think she means you, dude. Yeah. Happy opening night. She and I were just faking it during rehearsal. Okay? We're friends.
Things change. And if you want me to shut up, I'll shut up. But
Don't get me started.